In this video, I'm going to be talking everything Kajabi live video sessions and how they are actually embedded within Kajabi products now, which products they are embedded with and how to use them to the best of their ability. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi fan. And the definition of a hero is anyone that's made at least $1,000 on the Kajabi platform. And this is why I've put together this program, Zero to Kajabi Hero, to walk and talk you through everything you need to know to actually get from where you are today to Kajabi Hero and beyond. Before we jump into any of the training, I want to first of all make you an offer. I want to offer you my extended 30-day trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day trial that's available to the public. You can get access, simply head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and create your account today. And as soon as you've done this, I will automate you a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. These are the things that you need to do immediately once you unbox your Kajabi account. And if you stick around at the end of that 30 days to become a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I will grant you another course. It's my sales page templates. You can just download these in a theme and then upload them into your Kajabi account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So that being said, let's dive straight on over into the training. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we are back into products and all products. And lastly, I want to touch on one of the functionalities that's new to some or all of these products. It is the Kajabi Live Video. So Kajabi have actually got an embedded live video streaming capability now, and you can get that on your coaching products, you can get that in your communities, and you can also get that inside your courses as well. So I just want to walk and talk you through how and where that looks like and how you can actually use it in all of those products. So let's start with the VIP coaching. So this is the VIP coaching package that I've just put out. So we've got no clients there at the moment. So we have one opt-in in my partner's account, which is me, which is my test email. So what I'm going to do is select myself, and then I'm just going to grant myself an offer. And if you can remember, it was a VIP coaching that was free. Click submit, and then that's actually added me as a student in one of my coaching packages. So go back to the products, VIP coaching, you can see you've got one in there now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and have a look at what the package includes. So it's not scheduled, so we want to go ahead and schedule the session. Let's schedule it for whenever I'm next free. That looks good. Let's confirm and go. Let's schedule it. Once it's scheduled, you can then go live. All right, so once that's scheduled out, you can start the session. Now the student can actually schedule this out and then can start the session, or you can start the session. So this is what it would look like. So this is this is going to be a bit meta, allowing my camera and allowing my microphone. So this is going to be me jumping in, and then I'm just going to flick my camera. Here you go, there's me, and then click join. And then this is just going to be you chatting to your student. You can either have it speaker view or grid view, and then it's got people, chat, share, record. It's got all the functionalities of a normal Zoom room. So let's come back out of that, and then let's go into products. So let's go back into products. And by the way, there's a little, if you wanted to save the video from your coaching, you just need to download it. You need to compress it and then upload it. I know Kajabi is working on this thing, but this is, I mean, it's smooth for the student, but for the actual coach, it's a little step that you need to do there. So let's go into the community, and then let's go into the actual go to community, the community that we've set up. It's a blank community. Then let's go to meetups, and then click live room, and then welcome to the live room. The live room is always on. You can join anytime. So got it. Allow access, and it's going to pretty much do the same sort of thing. It's going to go live, and then you can be able to record this live session once you actually go through. As it comes through, here we are. There's the live session. Start recording, host this live session, and then save it. The community is a good function to actually save this recording. It saves it directly into the community. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the courses. So the course that we built out, the French vocab mastery, all you need to do is go down within this course. I think it's under settings, scroll down right at the very bottom, a live room. So provide a live video session for this course. Toggle that on, and then you can have all sorts of options here, whether it's a weekly Q&A, put the session in, put the schedule out, and then click automatically upload recordings, right? I would always have this on as automatically upload the recordings if possible. Like I say, the coaching product is almost there. They're still working on it. Hit save, and then that is your course. Once you've filled all those out, that's your course product, your community product, and your coaching product, all with that live Kajabi streaming function, that video recording function that you can use and save back into each product. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you got something out of it and you managed to implement something. If you haven't done already, claim your free account. That link once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and look for that free mini course I'll be granting you. Check your spam if it's not there. And if you are progressing past that 30 days and you become a paying member like me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you that second mini course, which involves the sales page templates, so you can just download them and upload them into your Kajabi account. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.